Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at this beautiful watch that we have in our collection. This is a 31mm Rolex Lady President. This watch is perfect for someone who loves gold, but maybe is not the biggest fan of diamonds or doesn't want diamonds on their watch. This one is 31mm, so it's the very contemporary lady size, and I think this is a really good size for a president that you want to wear maybe more than just on special occasions. If you just want to pop a gold watch on your wrist but not have it be too fancy, 31mm I think is a really great size for that. This one has a fluted bezel and of course the president band with the hidden crown clasp, and it has a pretty plain white dial with stick hour markers and the seconds track running right on the outside, and I think that this plain white dial is perfect. I like how it looks on the wrist. It opens the watch up, it makes it appear just a little bit bigger, and I think that's a really nice element to this watch. So if you're looking for a pretty special president this holiday season for yourself, or maybe as a gift for someone that you love, you should definitely check this one out and all of our Rolex Lady Presidents at SwissWatchExpo.com.